Welcome back to the Waviest channel on YouTube, bringing you sync reviews, clothing reviews, dope vlogs, and everything in between. Today, we got a vlog, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about, the camera and, the channel hit 1,000 subs. So it's, I feel like I got to bring that content that I was bringing for a little bit, and then I kind of slowed off. But it's going to be good edits, stuff like that. Hopefully my computer runs fine. But yeah, I'm trying to give you all that quality, that good stuff. But we've got some items here. Boom, boom, boom. You'll see more of that later. Once I get to the store, going to the fit. I always talk about the fit, but about to go there, make some trades happen. There's some shoes I'm trying to get that I talked about it a couple times, but y'all not gonna really know. We're gonna go see if I can pick those up. Yeah, let's get to it. Best Yeezy 350 V2 colorway, one of the best. You'll see it in the light. But heavy bag, we got items. Items you haven't even seen, but you're gonna see today. So. I have made it here safely, so we're about to go check it out. You saw a little bit. Mark hates being on camera, and I'm not sure who all is in the shop right now. So yeah, we're about to see. Mark is the owner of the store. We may get an interview, but probably not. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the stuff out of the trunk and then go in and see what we can do.
Money on my dress, fly with compress. I don't want no press. These niggas too ash. I come with the ash. I won't talk, won't text. Fuck your bitch, one text. I won't talk, no sex. Right, no talk, no flex. Blue hundreds I catch. Blue hundreds who rack. I'm running on rest. You finding your catch. You tap it, don't get no fuck. I'm picking up cash. Them prices we tears up. We gangin' our head up. We slimin', I bang it up. We bangin' the wind up. It's red and we blow it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She wet and she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up. Be patient, I'm whipping up. I thought, hey, I touch dots, you can't touch. I touch block, you can't touch. I touch dots, you can't touch. I touch block, you can't touch. Step in time, I just touch. Still pole drop, off that drop, off that mud. Still pole drop, yeah. Still pole drop, in that drop, off the mud, line it up, hey, in that 40 top, yeah. Money on my dress, fly with compress. I don't want no press. These niggas too ash. I come with the ash. I won't talk, won't text. Fuck your bitch, one text. I won't talk, no sex. Right, no talk, no flex. Blue hundreds I catch. Blue hundreds who rack. I'm running on rest. You finding your catch. You tap it, don't get no fuck. I'm picking up cash up. The prices we tear up. Run on top of flex. I get the money, more check. Cash card, Crescent Road. Bitch, she fucking on the mile. She give me top in that coupe. Run around with the extras. 50K on the necklace. I come on the trip with no text. Buy some more chains, I'm flex. Don't fuck with you niggas, I'm counting my blacks. The stopper, it come and compress. Walking the mall and I'm feeling like a wreck. Got out of jump on the Rolex. These niggas been flexing like both legs. I hit a hole with a switcheroo. She jump on the dick like.
Alright, so we have made some things happen. Pulled out with 2 shoes. I was only coming for 1. I'm trying to get another, but Jonathan over there doesn't want it to happen. So, and you've seen Jonathan in my videos before, but yeah. So we're at the store. Check it out. Sometimes my videos play there, you know, every once in a while, you know. Once I get home, we'll take a look at the Sulfurs, and then I'll show you what I picked up. Some heat, some low-key stuff. Yeah, so I picked up a couple of shoes. Like I said, we are home, obviously. So I guess we'll take a quick look at the Sulfurs, and then we will, I'll show you the pickups that I got at the fit. Just respecting everybody's privacy, not trying to have cameras on too many people. It's fun when I'm in there negotiating. I may have to get it one time. Next time I'm in there and I'm making some moves happen, I'll record some stuff, because I be wildin'. It's fun though. But yes, Sulfur, boom, right here. This is a size 9.5. Got these on Yeezy Supply. I ended up with 2 pairs. You saw in the B-roll there was a pair there. That was one I took to make some things happen, some trades, make some walla. So yeah, this is the only one I have left. The 9.5. See that? Maybe not. Oh, well, I guess you just saw it on the box. But yes, boom, 9.5. Sulfur. It's pretty nice overall. I like that the inside is darker, and yeah, I mean it's not a bad colorway. It's a bottom gum sole with the yellow boost, heel, drag, stop. No, it's because the drag happens here. I don't know what I'm talking about. But this little heel thing is yellow. Tab. Yeah. It's just the Sulfur. Nothing crazy. Another Yeezy. Just a quick look at them. So, to get to the fun stuff. The good stuff. Let me grab the bag. You know what I'm saying. Oh, what is this bag? Oh, watch that vlog. You know, I think I have 2 IKEA vlogs, but it's the most recent IKEA vlog. I'm going to try to link it in the description, but I'll forget probably. But yeah, check out that vlog. Kind of nice. All right, yeah. Wavy with another Yeezy. Are you surprised though? And then another little box there. Boom. So, which one do we want to look at first? We'll do these first. So, these are the, what are they? How do I pronounce it? Como de Garçon. I was about to just say CDG. Como de Garçon Vans. Here. CDG. If I can get them out of here for real quick. Alright. So these were like a Vans Vault exclusive. Here they are. Oh, these are fire. So of course they look similar to a shoe that you're probably thinking of. Yes, the Fear of Gods. They look pretty similar to those because of the all over print, but these are a lot cheaper. And I like that they have this rubber thing right here across there. See that a little bit better. Maybe not. It's tracking my face right now. It is raised. This is the Vans Authentic, so it's a super low cut. The Fear of God is a Vans Era. I don't like the Eras. I do love Authentics. So this was a better shoe for me. Looks good. Looks great. Yeah, it's gonna turn heads for sure. Something you don't see a lot. So yeah, pick these up. Glad I got these. Blame. First pickup. You can kind of see that right there. All right. And for the second shoe, easy, how you doing, huh? All right. Oh, I guess you can kind of see a little bit right there. Oh, you can see. Oh, well. If you know, you know. You know. I forgot my mic is right here, and I'm completely rustling paper all over here. Hold on. All right. Like I said, if you know, you know. But if not, are you ready? 3, 2. No, I'm not doing all that. Here are the Yeezy 350 Boost Glows. I've wanted these for a while, since they came out. I did, of course, strike out on these. It's not like a shoe that I've had before and then got rid of. I don't know, the material feels different. I just like the color. Of course, the color is pretty bright. You know, I like to wear a lot of out there kind of colors as far as my shoes go. So yeah, I had to pick these up. Had the opportunity. These are a size 9, but they do fit kind of big, so they fit me pretty well. I wouldn't go any smaller than this, of course, but this size works for me. Yeah, so here are the glows. Shout out to the fit. Shout out to the owner of the fit, because these pretty much came out of his personal collection. So glad I have these. Glad we made some things happen. Of course, I'll be there again soon. I'm gonna be up there as much as I can, really, with timing. And hey, it's good to make some money, good to make some flips, help out the store. So support the store, the Fit OKC on Instagram. Yeah, no, they're not paying me, but they should. Yeah. All right. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Just want to show a couple of pickups, a little vlog, something kind of different. Well, not really different, but something I haven't done in a minute. At least not the style that I've wanted to do it. And this is kind of weird to transition to, like, this is my like review setup and angle versus like my vlog angles and setup or whatever. So this is nice to like actually just talking about whatever instead of like trying to be focused on reviewing the shoe. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. Thank you for 1,000 subs. Trying to monetize, trying to make some guala. So we're on the road. Let's get to. I just want to hit 1,500, then 2K, then 2,500, and then 3. I'm ready to keep growing the channel. Just help me grow the channel. You, the viewers, the watchers, can make that happen. Like I said, I'm out of here. I will see you on the next one. Never play yourself. Peace.